Good morning, children. I think you all had your breakfast. How many of you helped your mother at cooking, children? Yes, not was me. At least 1 or 2 times you might have done. Yes. Have you seen her? What are plant parts she is using for cooking? Yes. Can you name? Yes. Yes, she uses fruits of plants. Which are the fruits? Okay. Tomato. Then leaves. Yes, green leaves. Green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables. Then yes, she uses onions. Onions are then cabbage. Yes, flower, cauliflower. Yes, these are all the parts of plants that she uses for cooking. Today we shall learn more about these things. First we shall see the picture of this plant. Can you see, children? Yes, this is the plant picture. In a plant there are many parts. Which of parts are there? Yes, root, stem, this is the stem, S-T-E-M, stem, then leaves, L-E-A-M, leaf, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves, many leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Next, you can see fruit here, F-R-U-I-T, fruit, and you can see buds here. Buds are unopened flowers. Buds are unopened flowers. Within 1 or 2 days, they will bloom into flowers. And these are the branches. These are the branches. You can see them. Branches carry leaves, fruits, flowers, and buds. And stems carry the branches also. Okay, which are the parts of plants you can see here? Root, stem, branches, then leaves. These are already clear. Leaves, fruits, then flower. This pale color here, yellow orange color it is. These are flowers. Root, stem, branches, fruits, flowers, and buds. Buds are unopened flowers. We use these parts of plants in food, and we shall learn more about these things. And the chapter is plants around us. Which are plants again around us we are going to study about. And this is your third chapter. Which is the third chapter, children? Plants around us. Where do we get the plants from? Where do we get the plants from? Come to this chart. Where do plants come from? Yes. Can you see here? Some seeds are. Yes. Most of the plants grow from seeds. Most of the plants grow from seeds. There are some grows from stems also. Hibiscus and jasmine, they grow from stems, but almost many plants grow from seeds. Which are the seeds we eat? Some of them are given here. Maize. Maize means corn. Mekkejoda, corn. Rice. Pepper. Not only rice, wheat, jowar, all these things we eat. And pepper. Here are some more. kidney beans. Kidney beans means rajma. Beans, seeds of beans plant. Then wheat, gobi. Then grams. Chana is given here. We also eat green gram. Maize, rice, pepper, beans, wheat, grams, green grams, then black gram, many seeds we eat. So, where do plants come from? Where do plants come from? Most of them come from the seeds, grow from the seeds. Yes, which are the main seeds we eat? Rice, wheat, jowar or jawar, then green grams, chana. These are the seeds we eat. How do these seeds grow into a plant? Come on, see in this picture. A seed has a baby plant in it. That baby plant will grow into a new plant when it gets water, air, soil and warmth from the sunlight. See, if you sow a seed in soil, a seed is there inside this soil, and there is a baby plant. You can see a white part here. When you water it, it will sprout. It will sprout, and the roots come out. Next, the shoot come out, and the leaves open up, and the plant will grow from it. See, this is the seed. When the seed is soaked with water, it will bulge, then roots starts emerging. The seed will open up. And leaves starts coming out. This is how a new plant grows from a seed. This is the root, and the two portion of the seed open up, and a new plant will grow from it. What are the things necessary? Yes, it needs water, air, soil and warmth. Warmth means from the sunlight. Water, air and soil and warmth helps the seed to grow into a new plant. Now we shall see, when a plant grows bigger, it will bear buds, and these buds will open up into flowers, and these flowers will turn into fruits, and fruits have seeds inside there. See, fruits have seeds inside there. Fruits have seeds inside there. You all might have seen seeds inside the fruit. Here are some fruits which have, some have many seeds, some have few seeds, and some have only one seed. Which fruit have only one seed inside, children? Yes. Mango and lychee have only one seed inside it. Mango and lychee have only one side. One fruit, seed. Fruits that have only one seed. It is mango and lychee. And some fruits have few seeds. And some fruits have many seeds. All these seeds will grow into a new plant. Where you can see few seeds in the fruits? Yes, apple has 8 to 10 seeds. Even the oranges, apple, orange, lemon, all these have only few seeds in them. And some fruits have many seeds in them, lots of seeds. Yes, see here in this picture you can see fruits that have many seeds. Tomatoes, watermelon, and papaya has many seeds in them. Fruits that have few seeds are apple and oranges. And some fruits have many seeds in them like tomato, papaya and watermelon. Here the stages of flower growing into a fruit is given. A tomato flower grows into a tomato fruit. Fruits grow from flowers. When the buds open up, it blooms into a flower. Then slowly the flower fades, and from the center portion, see, you can see here, from the center portion, small green ball-like things starts appearing. It grows bigger. Then it will change the color from green into red. You can see a tomato flower growing into a fruit. These are the stages from flowers to fruit. Fruits have seeds inside them. Okay, from these seeds, many types of plants can be grown. These seeds grow into different types of plants. A mango seed will grow into a mango tree. A tomato seed will grow into a tomato plant, and a watermelon seed will grow into a watermelon creeper. Correct. Watermelon creeper. Today we shall see something about types of plants. Now we will see these seeds growing into plants. We shall see what all types of plants are there. Yes, there are big plants and small plants. Which are the big plants, children? Trees. Trees are the big plants. Trees are tall and strong plants. They have thick stems. Trees are tall and strong types of plants. We can see big plants and small plants. Which are the big plants, children? Here? Trees. Trees are the big plants. We can make out the trees from the stems. They have thick stems, strong stems, thick and strong stems. Thick, strong, woody stems. And small plants. Big plants and small plants. Small plants have thin and weak stems. Thin and weak stems. Mostly they will be green in color. Can you name some big plants? Yes, mango. Then neem, correct, neem. Then coconut tree. Yes, banyan tree. Yes, gulmohar. Yes, these are the big plants. Trees have thick and strong stem. Trees have thick and strong stem. And some of the examples are mango, neem, coconut tree, banyan tree and gulmohar. Coming to the smaller plants, they have thin and weak stems. You can see the picture over here. Small plants can be bushy with strong woody stems or soft stems. Some have strong stems also, woody stems. Some have strong woody stems like rose plant. And weaker like spinach. Spinach and we have thin, soft and green stems, and woody stems are jasmine and sunflower and rose also. Here you can see spinach with weak and soft stem, green color, and this one is jasmine. Jasmine has woody stem, little bit stronger than spinach and it will be bushy also. And this one is mint. Mint is having soft and green stems, whereas sunflower, when it is younger, it will have light green color stem. When it grows bigger, it will have strong woody stem also. Okay, these are the two main types of plants, big plants and small plants. There are some more plants which cannot stand straight at all. Here are some more plants that cannot stand straight. These big and small plants can stand straight, but there are some plants they cannot stand straight. Can you think, children? Have you seen plants that cannot stand straight, that spread along the ground, and some plants they need some support? Yes, you can see here. Plants that cannot stand straight. These are called creepers and climbers. Watermelon plant, cucumber plant and grapevines, they cannot stand straight. See, watermelon plant spreads along the ground. Even the cucumber plant spreads along the ground. They bear big fruits. They have big stems and they bear big fruits. So they spread along the ground. But grapevine, money plant and beans, even though they have weaker stems, if they get any support, they can climb up. So they are called climbers. They can climb up the wall. If any stick is given to the support, they will grow up. And even the money plant and beans plants, if you give a stick for support, they will climb up. Plants that cannot stand straight. Which are the 3% climbers. Creepers and climbers. They cannot stand straight. Creepers spread along the ground. They spread along the ground. Whereas the climbers, if you give support, they climb up. Knees support to climb. Yes, examples for creepers are watermelon and pumpkin. Watermelon, pumpkins. Even ash board also. And climbers are money plant, then grapes. Money plant and grapes. And some plants grow in water also. Can you see plants growing in water, children? Yes, lotus. Lotus grow in water. Lotus, then water lily. Lotus and water lily grows in water. You must have seen some plants growing in the cracks of the buildings. Yes. Ferns and people tree, they grow wherever there is a crack in the building. You must have seen plants grow in the cracks of the building. Isn't it? Ferns grow in those places. This is lotus growing in water, and this one is ferns. You can see ferns and people plant growing wherever you can see a crack. If it gets little moisture or water, it will grow. So, these are the things we have learned about plants around us. We eat some parts of plants, and these plants grow from the seeds, and you can see these seeds in the fruits. Flowers turn into a fruit, and we have learned about different types of plants today. So this is all for today. Thank you.